Hey guys, welcome back to Robovation Studio, where we dive into the world of programming and robotics. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our exciting projects and tutorials. Today, we're going to explore something super cool, the Raspberry Pi. But what exactly is it? Is it a dessert? Nope. The Raspberry Pi is actually a small, affordable computer that's roughly the size of a credit card. The Raspberry Pi was created by the Raspberry Pi Foundation, a UK-based charity dedicated to promoting the study of computer science and programming. Since its launch in 2012, it has become incredibly popular among hobbyists, educators, and professionals alike. So guys, what can you actually do with a Raspberry Pi? The possibilities are almost endless. You can use it as a regular computer, learn to code, build robots, create home automation systems, or even make your own retro gaming console. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics of programming or an experienced developer wanting to experiment with IoT projects, the Raspberry Pi offers a versatile platform that's both fun and educational. Now let's talk about the different models. There are several versions of the Raspberry Pi, including the Raspberry Pi 4 and Raspberry Pi Zero. Each is designed for different types of projects and needs. For example, the Raspberry Pi 4 is great for more powerful applications, like running a media server, or even a lightweight desktop environment, while the Raspberry Pi Zero is perfect for compact, low-power projects. It's also worth mentioning that there's another family in the Raspberry Pi lineup, the microcontrollers, like the Raspberry Pi Pico. While we know that the Pico is a powerful option for projects requiring precise control and lower power consumption, we'll cover those in future videos. Alright guys, if you're ready to get started with your own Raspberry Pi, here are a few things you'll need: a Raspberry Pi board, a micro SD card with an operating system, a power supply, and some basic peripherals like a keyboard and mouse. Once you have everything set up, you can start exploring different projects. The best part? There's a huge community of Raspberry Pi enthusiasts who share their projects and ideas online. You'll never run out of inspiration. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed learning about the Raspberry Pi and want to see more content like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Robovation Studio. See you next time.